I don't know kung naririnig mo ako malinaw. I just try to vlog this. Continuation natin kanina. Kanina, we were in the Starbucks. So ngayon, nasa binary tayo with our mango bilya. Hindi talaga natin kaya ang coffee. Okay, so nagpalpitate tayo kanina. Ulit na. So now, continuation ng habits of rich employee. So nandun pa rin tayo sa rich employee. Ano ba yung mga habits nila? So I have given 4 kanina. So ngayon, let me give at least 4 pa rin. Okay? 4 habits of continuation, rich employee, diba? So, ang ina-advocate ko dito is kahit na full-time employed ka, pwede ka pa rin yumaman, diba? So, it's an opposite dun sa mga sinasabi ng iba na hindi ka pwedeng yumaman pag employee ka. So, let's try, diba? I'm a full-time employee, I'm a full-time principal. Pero, I made sure na hindi tayo mayamang-mayaman, pero we're getting there. We're building our wealth actually, right? So let me add to that habits is, number 1 is alter the situation a year. So make sure, that's the habit of rich employee. So yearly nagre-review siya. He or she made sure, she's making sure na may nababago sa buhay niya yearly, okay? So, for example, dapat nag-increase ang income niya year. Diba? Yung salary. Okay, di salary, ibang source. For example, ang salary niya is 20,000. Meron siyang side job na 5,000 a month, so that's 25. Next year, at least ang sweldo niya 22. At meron na siyang side job na income na 10,000, so that's 32,000. Diba? So, she's making a way para mag-increase yung kanyang monthly income. Okay? Next is, alright, so, ayaw niya rin ng the same problem every year. Na problem niya last year, pagbabayad ng utang, hanggang ngayon, pagbabayad pa rin ng utang. Last year, ang problem niya, credit card, hanggang ngayon, problem niya pa rin, credit card. So, merong mga ina-alter niya situation. That's the habit of a rich employee. So, meaning to say, iba na yung pinuproblema mo ngayon, like, hindi na gaya nung pinuproblema mo last year, right? So, something like that. Yun yung sinasabi natin na, sabi ko nga, nag-joke ako sa ibang mga nagpapakode sa akin o sineseminar. Dati ang problema lang natin, mga kung ano yung ulam yung makasurvive ka, di ba? So, ngayon dapat ang problemahin mo na, anong dessert? Nagla-level up, di ba? You are altering the situation a year, right? Ano pa? You're not in the same position yearly. Parang one time, I remember, pinuntahan ako ng dalawang classmates. Tagal na. Sabi nila, hanggang ngayon, teacher ones pa rin sila. So sabi ko, you have to do something different. Mag-enroll ng MA, tapusin. So alam nyo ngayon, master teacher 1 na isa. Isa, I think, teacher 3. Alright, so you are altering the situation. So hindi sila nasiyahan dun sa yearly na ganun ang position nila. So what they did is, in-evaluate nila and try to see ano yung pwede nilang gawin para hindi sila manatili sa ganung position. Right? So that's the habit of rich employee. So hindi pwedeng nandiyan position ka lagi. So desire mo rin na one day maging department head ka, unit head, supervisor. Diba? Alright. Next, number 2 is the habit of rich employee is they entertain curiosity. You know the reason why we have Facebook, airplane, transportation, improvement transportation, e-commerce, and everything. Because of curiosity. Lahat na yung curiosity. Naku-curious sila eh. What if ganito? What if? Like in my case, naku-curious ako sa YouTube eh. Kaya nagkaroon ako YouTube channel. What if magkaroon ako YouTube channel? What if mag-vlog ako? What if kumita ako sa YouTube? So I was so curious then. More than a year ago. So it's happening sa YouTube. And that's the key. So, never stop that curiosity. Ang brain kasi natin is working eh. Ilang billion cells ang meron sa brain sa atin? 50 billion? 100 billion? Some 50, some 100 billion cells. So, let it work. Let it work. Okay? Naku-curious tayo sa ibang bagay, iyan natin maku-curious tayo, gawin natin. Okay? Pag naisip mo, what if mag-open ako ng online store? E di gawin mo. That's curiosity. Diba? What if makipag-business partner ako? Then do it. Alright? So, those are the two things na, the two habits of rich employee. So, you alter the situation a year, and second, entertain curiosity. Because curiosity will give you to the next level of your performance. Alright? Just like what I did. Okay? Alright, so, if you want coaching, so, I can be your wealth coach. Tawag mo ako 0939-5254-311. Alright, so thank you very much, believers. Enjoy the rest of the day, and let's go, let's go.